Yellow birds. Their nest is slung on a low bough. They are the sort of yellow bird that sang to us on the day we spread Dad's ashes. From that day on, yellow birds have made me think of Dad. Here, where you and I have trekked for decades, we never saw a yellow bird until that day. And now, two hover over their sanctum, agitated at our picnic spread below their swaying nest. Clambering from the branch of another tree, he's a cop covering for his partner, while she hastens through the leaves towards her babies. We pretend not to see her triumphant dive into the cubby, nor her partner's duck and cover, but we are wide awake, poised for news of Dad.